I'm going to isolate vesicles from plasma by using Sepharose Cl2b column. So here you could see that we have pre-packed Sepharose Cl2b column that is already filled up, also with buffer. And before I put my sample in, I have to prepare the buffer. So the buffer consists of PBS, phosphate buffer saline, and supplemented with citrate. So I'm going to filter this buffer using 0.2 micron filter. So first we're going to open this part. I'm going to put my gloves on. And here I'll let the buffer running through the column. So for washing the column, I use also the PBS citrate buffer, which was just filtered. Just apply here on top of the column. So here you could see the level of the Sepharose column and also the filter above. So to position the filter, you can use a tweezer. Now you have the Sepharose exactly on the level, which is about 10 milliliter. We have here our samples, plasma sample. The sample is with a volume 500 microliter. We're going to dilute the sample twice with the PBS citrate. And then mix it without introducing bubbles. So in total, the volume is about 1 milliliter. This 1 milliliter will go directly into the column as soon as this buffer reaching this filter. So I'm going to prepare this sample. I take up the 1 milliliter using this pipette. You position the 15 milliliter tube there underneath, and then you add the samples. You collect directly the eluates, and you collect 3.5 milliliter that's coming off from the column. In the meantime, you have your buffer ready. Because as you see here, the sample is also almost disappearing into the Sepharose. We do not want to let the Sepharose gel run dry when the sample is running. So now we add the buffer on top. And the next 1 milliliter of eluates, that contains our vesicle that we're going to use for our further analysis. So now it is 3.5 milliliter. So I'm going to switch to another tube. And then here, the vesicles will come off. And we collect this fraction, 1 milliliter. And now we have the fractions of the vesicles. And we can proceed for the measurement.